Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about in this video about two type of procurement. One, direct procurement. Two, indirect procurement. Let's understand the difference between these. If you are from procurement background, then you will be aware of this. So two type of procurement is one, direct, two, indirect. Any organization or manufacturing industries will have the teams working on these both spans, right? Yes. Take a car company which is a manufacturing of a car or manufacturing a flight, ship. They will have both the teams specialized in direct procurement and indirect procurement. Direct procurement, what they do spends on raw materials to create an end product like a car, flight, ships, anything. The spends done on these raw materials like in the car companies like glass, metal, steel, rubber, you know, these spends are called direct spend. And based on this direct spend itself, they can decide what is the end product cost they can sell in the market. So without buying the raw materials, they cannot make an end product, right? Similarly, they do also have indirect procurement spends. Yes, because they need to run their business. To make sure the business is up and running, they will have the backend team like finance, recruitment team, IT team, marketing team, etc. The spends these departments will do is called indirect spends. But the manufacturing industries will have more spends on direct spends. The revenue is dependent on that, this profit and loss. So coming to corporate companies like software developers or a website building. So to build a software or a product which is a software product, you no need to have a raw materials, right? They don't need to spend on raw materials to create a software. So here they will be spending more on indirect expenditures. That's why it's called indirect procurement. So here they will have very special team who will do indirect procurement, be it facilities, IT, recruitment team, marketing team. Because since they are software based companies, they need to make sure that their employees are always have the right connectivity to internet or right laptop, food, snacks, pantry items, travel arrangements, trainings, etc. So all of these teams will have individual budgets. So any spends done by these teams are called indirect procurement spends. Example, IT team will buy laptop, services, network items, whatever related to technology is an indirect spend. Like recruitment team spends on buying licenses for their hiring websites like Naukri, LinkedIn, etc. And then trainings, employee expenditures is recruitment expenditures. Again, this is also called indirect expenditures. Marketing team spends on ads, TV shows, banners, etc. Similarly, travel team spends on flight tickets, hotel travels, stays, and remote employee expenditures. Then coming to facilities, like I said, food, snacks, etc. etc. So this is called indirect procurement. So what I understood in this my 7 years experience being in indirect procurement is a finance team to have a better visibility on the spends. You should have better tracking system. If you fail to track single expenditures done by these teams, each teams will create a huge difference between the budget what they allocated. So that is very important for them. So until we meet in next videos, stay safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.